What's up, home slice diggities? No, I'm sick. I'm very sick. I've probably drank enough lime Gatorades to kill 9 saber-toothed tigers. Hope you enjoyed this video regardless of how awful I sound. I hope y'all are doing good. I hope you like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing in the first minute of the video is really cool. If you didn't know, I just thought I'd let you know that like and oh, what the hell?
It's so
There's the
far
robot.
away.
Oh, there's tons of robots. Okay.
This is gonna be dangerous. I hope you know once they activate, we gotta have to sneak.
I don't know. How do they activate?
I don't know, but we're gonna have to do something about it.
Bro.
They're everywhere in this place.
Iron Giant.
I swear that one moved right now.
There's one on the building, I'm pretty sure.
What the f? Okay, a mine and a key. I got...
Yeah, so that's a turret. Don't go that way, there's a turret. Oh!
I don't know what to do. Listen, all you stay unactivated. I'm scared of every single one of you, please. Was that... Dude, you guys are... that's something else. I'm your friend, guys. I'm your friend. Oh, shit! What the fuck? Oh no! Please! I beg for my life, buddy. Oh shit! I'm begging you! I'm begging!
What the fuck?
He's dead. He's dead. Let's just go. I'm done. I'm not doing that.
What did I miss?
So we went to a new planet. Hey, bud. How you doing?
He fell, and I had no idea. And I walked outside and tried coming back, and I was trying to make peace.
Holy shit. Our crimes in the Helldivers community did not go unnoticed. Wake up. Hey Momo, check this out.
What the fuck is that?
It's a robot. Hello. Oh. Right on.
Holy crap, is it Easter?
It is Easter.
Oh, it was Easter yesterday. The fuck?
April Fools!
Yeah,
You see what I did there?
Oh my god.
That's so
Oh!
funny!
Oh!
How do I get up?
What's up?
How do I get up?
What's the password?
Well, I did not
What
mean
the
to do
fuck?
that.
What is the password?
Where am I going? Where to go?
Password!
Help me!
This way.
The password is pumpkin. It's over here. Hey, yo, what are they doing over there? You see that? Hey, yo, what the fuck? Oh! Oh!
She said nothing about it and she knew the whole time.
Hey, Momo.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Why didn't you tell me there was a dog, coming to bite me? While you were staring at it.
No, Murphy, the other one. Murphy, no. That one in the corner.
Hey Liz.
Thanks.
I'm gonna chill right here.
Okay, have fun.
I wanna see what happens.
Hey, who's that?
Be a
Hey,
head honcho.
hey,
Hey!
your business.
Hey! Hey, I have a
Okay,
question!
She can pass. She can pass.
Hey!
Hey.
How long were you sick after you had your first symptoms?
2 weeks. Have fun.
Oh, you're screwed. Guys,
What the fuck is
what's
that?
going on? It's right outside, isn't it?
That's actually oh.
Oh, it flies. They fly now?
They fly now. Timeout? K piano. Okay. There's a week. What should the
1
reason
week.
be? The last reason was gay.
The reason is
Yeah.
piss boy.
Okay.
Piss boy, alright.
Okay.
Time me out for a week. Bet you won't. No balls.
No balls.
Wait, can I not
You
undo
can't-
that?
Bring him back. Nope, it's done.
Oh.
Just kidding. You can. I don't remember how, but you can. Good luck. He's having
Momo.
fun.
Yes.
I timed him out for a week because he asked me to, and now I don't know what to do.
I took the timeout off.
Oh.
I don't think he's gonna realize that though. Well, I guess I can't wait to play Zomboid next week.
What the fuck? Okay. Alright, are
Can
you
you send
fine
him
with all
this?
these mods? Send him what?
Can you send that?
Why does he look like Carl from Shameless?
Just because he is. Nice.
Oh.
Oh wow, how did you get that?
Oh, wow. Yeah, that'll do it. Are you okay?
I'm pretty sure we just.
It's almost
as much as I used to have back in the 50s.
I actually bought a house for a fucking napkin and a penny and a chewed up
Oh,
gum
mine
wrapper
was-
one time.
Mine was also half of a penny.
That was half of one?
I just gave him my shoe and he gave me the house.
Wow.
Yeah, things were a lot better back then.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of the new America.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a lot of fun. What the fuck is that? What the fuck?
How do you throw this ball at the ceiling like one dude was doing?
Oh, I don't. It might explode now though.
No, it's not an Easter egg. Ah!
I told you.